What's up, guys? It's Lizzie from Little House and Homestead. I woke up this morning and I've just been walking around my yard with my coffee, trying to find the perfect spot to plant the gooseberries I bought the other day. So I am running out of sun, so my options aren't great, and I just have to find a spot and just commit to it. So what I think I'm gonna do is, since they taste similar to grapes, I figured I might as well plant them near my grapes over here. So I made this bed, which isn't ready for anything. This, some kind of perennial vegetable will probably go in here, or I'll end up doing like my onions or something in here next year. The soil is not ready. It's still hot. It's from my chicken coop. So maybe I'll try to throw some flowers in there or something, or maybe I'll throw some hostas in there. But right next to it, right behind it, it does get a little bit of sun, and this is kind of like general area where my berries are. So I thought it'd be the perfect spot. And I mean, I'm gonna trim up some of the little trees here just to let in a little bit more sun. Hopefully they'll have enough sun to thrive. Four-wheelers are everywhere, so of course this is like right in the middle of my shot. So I'm gonna move this out of the way real quick. We're trying to figure out some storage for all this and a lot of our yard equipment. My allergies are really bad today, so you'll have to bear with me because I'm eating flies. I know the sun kind of comes up this way and around, so this whole area is going to be my problem, and there are a lot of branches, but I am going to thin it out a little bit. We do need those because we have the house right over here, and it'll give us a little bit of privacy. I can just move the trees around a little bit without having to cut anything. That's always a good thing too. Got it. So I picked these up. They were $8 from Tractor Supply. They're non-GMO, and they're full sun to part shade, so I think they should be okay there. And this is just like a dormant bare root plant, so we'll see how it grows. But they're small. Obviously, we're not going to get anything this year. So they do get about 3 to 5 feet, which I think is actually going to be perfect for this area. But I want to make sure I set it off the trail so it doesn't grow into the trail. I'm going to go about 3 feet. 1, 2, 3. And the first one's going to go here. 1, 2, 3. I think I have 2 more of those like metal circles that I use for my rhubarb. So because they are so small, I think I'm gonna put those in too so we don't lose it or step on it. Okay, so I just checked and I only have one more of those metal circles that I use for the rhubarb, so I'm not gonna do that. I want it to be uniform, so I'm just kind of trying to think if there's anything else I can use that's laying around my yard just to kind of raise it a little bit. I don't think I really have anything, but I am going to look around a little bit and see what I can find. All right, so I couldn't find anything, but I do want to raise it up a little bit. So it looks like I'm going to be making just a little thing out of rocks, which is fine. I do it all the time. I'm not going to do like a raised bed, but I just want to have something there so I know that I planted the gooseberries and everyone knows to leave it alone. Hey, I'm pretty happy with that. We'll get some water on them and we'll just have to wait and see how they grow.